94% of the internet's daily searches happen in languages other than English. But 90% of tech content creators only publish in English. That gap is where the invisible cash cow lives. Today I'll show you how to milk it. Here's the opportunity most creators never see. High-intent technical queries in Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi, Arabic, Vietnamese, and Indonesian have 1/3 the keyword difficulty and 3 to 5 times the monthly search volume of their English equivalents. The search traffic is waiting. Nobody is serving it. The stack that unlocks it is fully open source and free. RAGFlow handles ingestion and vector retrieval. LangChain orchestrates the translation and rewriting chains. Ollama runs the local LLMs so you pay 0 tokens. Notion is the multilingual content hub, and N8N schedules the whole engine to run every single day without you touching it. Here's how the pipeline actually works. You drop a single English source document into RAGFlow. The ingestion pipeline parses it with DeepDoc, chunks it intelligently, and builds a hybrid vector plus BM25 index. The transformer layer auto-generates keywords and summaries for each chunk. Then LangChain pulls relevant chunks, and for each target locale, it runs a rewrite prompt. Not a flat machine translation. A culturally aware rewrite with localized idioms, local examples, and market-specific calls to action. Every locale gets its own keywords, its own free-flowing metadata, and its own affiliate links. The output goes straight into Notion. One source becomes 10 fully localized pages in under 60 seconds. Each language lives in its own Notion database entry with a clean slug, free-flowing metadata, and the right call to action for that market. Notion exposes every page publicly through its sharing API. Google and Bing index those pages. Or you can pipe the same database into a next.js static site for full SEO control. The hub compounds with every new source document you ingest. Ship 1 piece of English content. Wake up to 10 localized pages ranking in 10 markets. Now the money math that nobody shows you. A single technical niche across 10 languages averages 12,000 monthly visitors at cold start, scaling to 50,000 by month 6. Display ads bring $2 to $4 CPMs in Tier 1 markets like Germany, France, and Japan. $1 to $2 CPMs in Tier 2 markets like Brazil, Mexico, and Indonesia. Stack affiliate offers on top, and the average page earns $3 to $7 per 1,000 views. 12,000 views across 10 pages equals $360 to $840 per month per niche. Run 5 niches in parallel, and you are looking at a fully self-operating engine pulling $2,000 to $4,000 per month. The RAGFlow instance costs you 0 because it runs on your own server. The LLM inference costs you 0 because Ollama runs Gemma locally. The only real cost is the electricity to keep it running. Here's the execution checklist. 1. Install Ollama and pull Gemma 4. 2. Spin up RAGFlow with Docker Compose. 3. Build the LangChain translation chain with 10 locale prompts. 4. Connect the Notion API and create your hub database. 5. Schedule the entire pipeline in N8N to run daily. 6. Drop English source content into the ingestion folder and walk away. The full build guide with code, Notion template, and the 10 locale prompts is linked in the description. Hit subscribe if you want the next episode where we plug this engine into a 1,000-page site. The invisible cash cow is only invisible because nobody is